GSM stands for Gut Sensory Modulation. It involves delivering high-potency, non-nutritive, generally recognized as safe or GRAS food ingredients directly to the lower gut where L cells are most abundant. We'll discuss the role of L cells in greater detail later. GSM amplifies the physiological release of beneficial satiety hormones, GLP-1 and PYY, thereby helping people feel less hungry so they can lose weight. In addition to satiety, GLP-1 has also been shown to affect glucose regulation, inflammatory response, and mood. Our understanding of GSM stems in part from gastric bypass surgery. Food bypasses the stomach and quickly reaches the lower gut, where there's an abundance of L cells. Triggered by the presence of food, the L cells release hormones, GLP-1 and PYY, that regulate glucose levels and satiety. This procedure frequently results in remission of type 2 diabetes and meaningful weight loss. The endocrine function of the gut has been the subject of increased scientific research. Hormones like ghrelin and leptin in the stomach, and amylin, glucagon, and insulin in the pancreas dramatically affect metabolism. While hormones such as GLP-1, oxyntomodulin, and PYY are found throughout the GI tract, they are produced in largest amounts in the lower gut. This is because the concentration of L cells are greatest in these locations. The L cells produce both hormonal and autonomic stimuli. Through the vagal afferents, L cells provide feedback to the central nervous system. When the L cell receptors detect the presence of three chemosensory inputs, sweet, bitter, and umami, they release the peptides PYY and GLP-1. Along with vagal innervation, this leads to decreased transit rate and gastric emptying, and increased energy harvest, hepatic lipogenesis, insulin secretion, and satiety. When GLP-1 is released into the bloodstream, it travels to the hypothalamus, where it alters perception of hunger. The emerging science of gut sensory modulation will increasingly find its way into products that promote the natural release of gut-derived hormones. This will pave the way for new and improved products that affect hunger and satiety, glucose control, inflammatory response, and mood.